Hey everybody, it's your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts. Welcome back to my channel. We are on week 5 of the hashtag 52 projects that is hosted by Tiffany McGill, who is Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill here on YouTube. This is something that she is doing over on her Facebook page, Coffee Cake and Crafting, where it's to keep your creative mojo in flow. So at least one project a week will be different variations of either of her own or from someone that gives her inspiration. This week is something that she created on her own, and I will have a link to the tutorial down below in the description box. And it is a little drawer organizer. This has been on my things to do list, so I was super excited that this was one of her projects for the week. So for this project, I used the LOL paper pad. Get this from Hobby Lobby as part of the paper studio. Still have quite a bit left. And I also use these tags here that I got from there as well, and different little embellishments throughout. So this is what I created. So here's the side here. I also use my little La Petites LOL girls. Here's the back, and here's the other side, and then the top, and then the front. So for this, I participated in the binder mill swap that was hosted by Scrap the World, Tamika, and in my group was Happy Crafter. Lisa had made these little tote bag embellishments, so I had used it on here on the side, and then she also gifted some bows as her embellishments as well, so I put that on top. And then she also, this was also gifted from her as well. So great thing to have that binder mill swap. You just pull it out, get what you need, and you're good to go. And so you see I fussy cut out the image of the girl from the tag, and I popped it up on a little bit of dimension on the side there. And then the back, I didn't do too much because I didn't want to cover up the whole message. And then also if it's going to be placed somewhere on a desk but up against a wall, I didn't want there to be anything in the back there. And then in the front, I also punched out some more hearts with my EK Tools punch, and then I have one that's flat and then the other one on top giving a little bit of dimension. Same thing there. And then I don't have, like, you know, some of the things that people use as like drawer options or anything like that. Like, I don't really craft like that in a certain way, but I wanted to do a drawer option, so I actually grabbed my gold beads and I was like, oh, these will be perfect, so it'll be easy to slide open. Except for that one wants to play stuck. I'll fix that shortly. But so it can be a little drawer option to pull out. I will be using this as Happy Mail so that I can go ahead and put like different little bits and tidbits of either handmade or store-bought goodies in there. But I absolutely love the way it came out, and I hope you guys will join in on this week's edition of hashtag 52 projects, and I will just see you in the next video. Bye guys.